What happens when a tropical forest disappears? Biodiversity is reduced, ecosystems become fragmented, local communities become more vulnerable. In 2020, zeroCARBON was born, a Plan Vivo certified zero CO2 project guided by a clear principle: climate rigor and social development must grow together. It all starts in the nursery, with seeds collected from native forests. They are grown and used to restore degraded land. zeroCARBON goes beyond just planting trees. The model integrates natural regeneration, constant field monitoring, and scientific rigor. But the true root of this project is the people. Landowners choose to be a part of it and actively participate. They are the protagonists of a social, cultural, and environmental ecosystem. zeroCARBON generates shared value. 60% of the revenue generated by carbon credits remains in the hands of local communities. Regenerating landscapes, bringing back biodiversity, and creating stable economic opportunities is possible. zeroCARBON, for the planet, for the people.